So today is a historic day for markets because we're going to learn the size and scope of the Trump administration's tariff policies. We don't know the exact details of the tariffs yet, and even when we do, we don't know how long those details will stay in place. But there are two things I want you to focus on with today's announcement. The first one is the size of the tariffs. Markets expect reciprocal tariffs to be around 20%. So if they're lower than that, say 15% or less, that's actually not as bad as feared. If they're higher than 20%, that'll actually be worse than the expectation. The second thing I want you to focus on is whether or not there's an explicit statement that says these reciprocal tariffs will be followed by negotiations on tariff reduction. Market bulls hope that these reciprocal tariffs are just being used to ultimately reduce the tariffs on U.S. goods. And if that's the case, then markets will be optimistic that in the future, we could actually see more free trade. Bottom line, today is a historic day for markets and there will be volatility. But stay focused on what truly matters, which is the size of the tariffs and whether or not they are being used for negotiation or not.